Senior Room Irish for the 27th of April to the 1st of May comes from chapter 17 of your Sholat, which is on page 96 of your book. It's Cat agus Madri. So it's a story about a cat and a dog show, basically. You should be okay with most of the vocab. Just to go through a few bits with you, you've got Comorthus is a competition. You have Mi Vunta. You had the opposite of that last week in last week's story. You had Da Vunta, which is well behaved, and Mi Vunta, which is badly behaved. You have Multori, who are the judges, and you have Douche, which is a prize. So the rest of it should be okay. Please use the CJ Fallon reader if you can access it. The link, or rather the YouTube video that you can watch to see how to get to it, shows how to get to chapter 15. Just make sure you scroll down and look for chapter 17 and not chapter 15. The CJ Fallon website tends to get pretty overworked and busy between the hours of maybe 9 and 1. So if you even wait till after 1 o'clock, it might be easier to access it then. Written work wise, you are doing for Monday, exercise D for me on page 99. You do these 4 sentences where you fill in the blanks, and these 3 sentences. And before you ask from Cora, no, you do not have to do any extra ones this week. Just those 7 sentences in total for Monday. For Tuesday then, you are doing part E, which you are going to do orally. So you ask yourself the questions, all based around, do you have pets at home? Ask the questions and answer the questions to yourself, but you can do that orally. Written work for Tuesday then will be on page 98C. So you have 3 verbs here, rockig, fechig and beg. Rockig will go, fechig will look, beg will be. So you need to put those 3 verbs into a simple, short story of no more than 5 sentences. You have loads of vocab throughout the book. Again, you have loads of vocab here at the back of the book that will help you to create these sentences. So part C box, or the yellow box for Tuesday. For Wednesday, you're doing part B orally, the yellow box. So you ask questions and you come up with the answers orally to these questions. And for written work, you are doing the blue box in part C. So you've got vul, which can be to hit or to meet. Remember the difference is vul me is I hit, vul me le, I met. Tashbon, which is to show, and dinish is told. So those 3 verbs, put them into, again, a simple short story, no more than 5 sentences. For Thursday, you have the blue box here. So you look at the answers here and you have to come up with questions to suit these answers. Again, this will be oral work. The dog is crying out to me because he's after losing his ball. And the written work here for Thursday is the pink box. So you've got fur, which is got, chas, turned, and hug, gave. So again, no more than 5 sentences in your story, a short, simple story to illustrate that you understand how to write a sentence and how to have a simple story created. Then for Friday, you're doing part A, which is just answering the questions based on the story. Now last week you were doing the irregular verbs for me, you were learning them, you had up as far as on nyakig tu, kuig me nyakig me done. So on Monday, you're moving on to the next yellow box, on vaka tu, chonig me nyaka, on veken tu, fekken me, ni eken me, and on vekig tu, fekig me, ni ekig me. So on vaka tu, did you see? I saw, I did not see. On veken tu, do you see? Fekken me, I see, and ni eken me, I do not see. And on vekig tu, will you see? Fekig me, I will see. Ni ekig me, I will not see. Tuesday, you do the next yellow box, hug tu, hug me, near hug me. So did you give? I gave, I did not give. On dugan tu, do you give? Hugan me, ni hugan me, I give, I do not give. And on durhig tu, turhig me, ni hurhig me, do you give, or will you give? And I will give, I will not give. So Monday, Tuesday. On Wednesday, you revise all your blue boxes. On Thursday, you revise all the yellow boxes. And on Friday, just give a quick run over the 6 boxes for me. And that will be that for Irish.